Hello and welcome to this lecture where you are going to learn another way to implement DeepSeek, but now using Ollama. If you want to see the available models, you can access this link. Ollama is a framework compatible with many open-source large language models, and it can be integrated with other tools. The first step to use it is to run all this code. We first need to run some Linux commands in Google Colab, see that we are installing and updating some packages and also setting the environment variable. Let's run this code and wait until the process is finished. After the installation, the next step is to start Ollama server. Using this code, we also need to download the model. So we use Ollama pool, and here we specify the name of the model. You can access this link in order to check the available models. We will download and use 8B parameter model. Larger models such as 14 or 32 are available, but require more time, and maybe you will have problems with memory in Google Colab. After the model is downloaded, we need to install Ollama. And then we have a similar code to the ones we implemented before. We import Ollama, define the prompt, and here we have the response variable, ollama.chat, to call the model. We specify the model we are using, and we have messages parameter. See that we have the role of the user and the content of the message. We have only user role since we are sending a message to the algorithm. And then we print the message and we extract only the content. Here we have the answer, the think tag, as well as the content, which is the answer. This is another way that you can run DeepSeek. The difference between this approach and the API implementation is that when using Grok, you have some limitations and you need to pay if you are using a model that is not available on the free tier. On the other hand, Ollama is free. As a bonus, we have a code here which is an interactive chat. So you can run this cell. It simulates a conversation similar to a graphical interface. I'm not going to discuss this code because it is similar to the one we implemented before, and we have some interface configurations, such as some CSS styles. When running this code, we can type our message. For example, what is AI? And click on send. See here that we have the result, the user question and the answer of the assistant. As you can see, it simulates the DeepSeek interface. It is better to perform the tests. That's all for this lecture. See you next time.